Scientists tried to accelerate animal evolution by placing a turtle inside an experimental chamber. As the evolution serum flowed through the system, the turtle rapidly grew and began developing human-like traits. The scientists were thrilled, but a raccoon seemed uneasy. Their excitement soon vanished when the turtle suddenly became violent and showed severe genetic defects. For a perfectionist scientist, the experiment was a complete failure. He immediately ordered the turtle's destruction. Before that could happen, the raccoon discovered the real problem and reported it to its mentor. During evolution, the turtle's violent genes had not been fully removed. Following the raccoon's insight, the scientist upgraded the equipment. After many trials, they achieved a major breakthrough. Even the scientist could not explain why the modified raccoon possessed such extraordinary perception. Thanks to its guidance, the evolved creatures became calm and gentle. This success convinced the scientist that he could finally create his ideal utopian world. When the raccoon learned it would soon enter that new world, it was overjoyed, but the scientist suddenly revealed his true intentions. Experimental subjects like the raccoon were never meant to join paradise.
But that brain, that I'd like to study further.
Prep it for surgery and removal in the morning.
Realizing it was in danger, the raccoon secretly gathered parts inside its cell and built an access card. It planned to escape with its companions by the next day. Filled with hope, it unlocked the cages and freed the other animals. But before they could celebrate, Jess appeared with a gun and forced the raccoon back into captivity. After witnessing the deaths of its friends, the raccoon was consumed by grief and rage. Ignoring their pleas to run, it fought back until armed guards arrived. During the struggle, it seized a weapon and killed a guard. When the shooting ended, all of its companions were dead. Holding back its sorrow, the raccoon ran through the flames, boarded a spacecraft, started the engines, and escaped into space. Years later, it returned to the place where its suffering began and discovered that the experiments had never ended. Countless creatures were still trapped inside. The raccoon found an access card, opened the cages, and released the frightened animals. But at that moment, its former mentor appeared once again, determined to drag it back into the nightmare. This time, however, the raccoon was no longer the lonely, helpless creature it once had been, and the man responsible for so much pain would finally face the consequences of his actions.